Well, hello there. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I'm gonna do a series of reviews that are gonna feature some bowls I received recently. There's a link so you can get them in the description or somewhere. You'll see it, but if you just typing away right now, you can go to bit.ly/ramen-bowls. But here, check it out. They're really wide. I'm like stoked on these. And they've got color on the inside and they're dark on the outside. They come in red, what is it? Red, black, white, and blue, which is kind of like shoyu. The blue could be miso or shio. Blue would be miso. Black could be tonkatsu. I would think white would be shio and blue would be miso. But, you know. This one is going to be none of those traditional Japanese varieties. This today we're doing, to try these out, is Panda's signature ramen noodle soup picante chicken. So this is a completely different thing from all the other stuff I just mentioned that were traditional Japanese varieties. So anyways, and yeah, I just heard from the company that distributes this stuff, and yeah, it sounds like they're gearing up to have some flavor updates.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Miles. This is Miles, my son, the Wonder Boy. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Here, you
Hi
want...
to the nice people.
Hi to the nice people. How are you, nice people?
How are you, nice people?
What are you up to? What do you think you're doing?
I think you're too much.
They're too much?
Yeah.
Well, what are they going to do next?
It's so freaking hot.
Hey, stay away. Back up. There's hot stuff on the stove, kid.
Okay.
Hold on. I didn't say leave. I'm not trying to deprive you of the next step in your lunchtime.
I got my twisty snack.
Yeah, your twisty snack. You like your twisty snack.
And then cut.
And then you wash your hand and you have your drink. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
You are very welcome, sir. Anyway. Alright, let's put the noodles in. But yeah, supposedly they're going to change around some of the flavors. So we shall see how it goes. Hopefully it will go well. Because, I mean, I don't know. Everybody in this game deserves a fair shot. That's the way I see it. And everybody's just been really negative about these. But it's like, I get it. You get used to a certain variety and certain flavors, and then you get something different and you don't like it. I've had people just flipping out about it. It's
That's all right, Papa.
huh?
That's all right.
They're over there. Anyways, it's been an absolute day full of chatterboxy kids. Yeah. They've been super duper chatterboxy. I mean, like beyond their regular standard chatterboxy amount. Why are you guys so talkative today? I mean, you are... They will not shush. They don't want to shush. Right?
Hi.
Are you Mr. Chatterbox today?
Yeah.
Have a beverage.
Thank you.
Enjoy your beverage.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's do our quotes from the fine tome Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. I don't remember what the last one is, so I'm not going to go halfway. I'll do these two. Number 233. Do you managers think that you have nothing left to do once you finish giving directions to your subordinates?
Is it you, Papa?
No, I didn't write this. And then number 234, always take the initiative and lead. People won't follow somebody who just talks. That is very, very good advice. I remember my wife used to work at Rite Aid, and the stuff that I would hear about people's management styles were just like, you really started to see things like that. You'd have like a manager who would just like tell everybody what to do and then like sit back and do whatever they felt like they wanted to do and just be kind of lazy. And then she had a manager who was older, and he very close to retirement, and he worked his butt off. He like injured himself working. He went not all, he went full tilt till the day that he left. And you had people that just got into management roles and that just went, hey, I'm the manager now, I can do whatever I want and I can tell you people to do everything for me. That apparently does not work with people, right, Miles? Right, okay. Miles did very good in school today.
Thank you.
Look. Yeah.
Oh, look, it's a timer.
Ah, it is the timer, and the timer is done, and it is time for time. Where time is timeless in time. And here are our noodles. Picante chicken. Very curious how this is gonna fly. It's being weird. This one's good. See, people are going after certain flavors and saying, this isn't like the flavor I like, blah, blah, blah. This one I actually like. This tastes like a tasty, spicy chicken. I'm down with that. This one will get a good score. It's not gonna get a huge, super high score. Generally, econs don't, but this one is tasty. Yeah. Nothing wrong with this one. If you tried other varieties that you absolutely don't like, give this one a shot, because the picante chicken is good. This is from a guy who's reviewed over 3,800 different varieties of instant noodles. In fact, this is number 3,877, I think. So let's try this, the first of 4 different bowls. I'm pretty stoked on this. They're very shiny. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. Shiny doesn't always work out super well, but we'll give it a shot. I have a feeling it's going to work out pretty well. I'm hoping. I like things to work out well. So, we've got picante chicken today. And I thought a good thing to add in would be a nice perfect egg. Doesn't that even look, that thing looks fake. That is one fake looking egg, but it's real. If you want to make fake looking eggs like I do, check out my perfect fried egg video. You will be glad you did, if that's your goal, is to make eggs that are so perfect looking you think that they're fake. Why, hello, Mimi. Did you finish your lunch?
I took 2 bites of bread.
Yeah, did you eat all your cheese and your...
I eat all of my cheese.
Eat one of those. And then I'll bring you a drink. You gotta eat. Yeah. Let's put another piece of chicken on here. Now, I've got some hot sauce, and this is actually my favorite hot sauce.
Your favorite hot sauce?
Yeah. Sit down, please. This is Cholula chili garlic, and I freaking love this stuff. The original's not bad, but this is the one. That's the one that I like complain about when I can't find it. Okay, and I'm gonna throw in some, where is it? Where'd it go? Uh-oh, there it is. Got some pepper flake. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And I'm gonna call that all we need to do. And that's that. Yeah. Pro class. Ramen. Instant. Panda. Signature. I think. I mean, yeah. Looks pretty good in the bowl. I'm stoked. Cool. So yeah, check out the link or just go to bit.ly/ramen-bowls and go find them on Amazon. And yeah, this is nice. They come with like chopsticks and spoons and little spoon chopstick rest thingies. Yeah. Cool. Have a good one. Bye.